Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error alert 0x80070005 when you're attempting to run a Windows update on your Windows device. So this tutorial should work for most modern versions of the Windows operating system, so Windows 7, Windows 8, and 8.1, as well as Windows 10. So without further ado, let's jump right into it, and we're going to start by closing out of any open applications you currently have on your computer, and we're going to open up a web browser. Now I'm going to have a couple links here to Microsoft support information and troubleshooting data as well. So these are directly from Microsoft. They're not from any third-party links, so they're completely safe. They're right from Microsoft's own webpage here. So the first thing and the first attempt I want you to try would be to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So for Windows 7 and Windows 8, you guys have a specific link here. For Windows 10, if you click on this first hyperlink here, it will download the diagnostic utility. So again, you just want to make sure you're downloading it for the correct version of Windows 10. And it should say Troubleshoot and Help Prevent Computer Problems. Left click on the Next button. And if you get a prompt saying to run the Windows 10 Windows Update Troubleshooter, you want to left click on that, select Next. And hopefully it would be able to identify the problem in your case. If it unfortunately was not, you can close out of here. And I'd recommend restarting your computer. And then I'd recommend trying the second link that I will have in the description of the video. Should be the sub in acl.exe. You want to click on this download button right here. And it should begin the download. Should be pretty quick too. It's only about 370 kilobytes. You want to run this file, and then you want to select Next. Once you're done looking through the end user license agreement, select Next again, and then select Install Now. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select Yes, and it should say the installation was successful. So click on Finish. Now I would recommend, if you had anything open like your web browser, close out of it, restart your computer, and hopefully this error alert has been resolved. So I do hope this brief video was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.